Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid cream. Pat skin lightly with a damp towel, then apply a pea-sized amount. Gently press the cream into face and neck using upward motions to encourage absorption. Avoid active acids immediately after if you have sensitive skin, and layer sunscreen in the morning. Use twice daily for best results, adjusting frequency based on skin response and comfort. Begin with clean, slightly damp skin for optimal hydration, then dispense a pea-sized amount onto fingertips. Lightly warm the cream between your hands and press it into cheeks, forehead, and neck using gentle upward motions. Focus on dry areas, but keep pressure soft to avoid pulling the skin. Allow the cream to absorb for a minute before layering sunscreen or makeup, and adjust quantity based on how your skin feels afterward. Apply hyaluronic acid cream after any water-based serums and before heavier oils or creams to lock in hydration effectively. For morning routines, let it absorb briefly, then follow with SPF to protect the freshly hydrated skin. In evening routines, you can layer nourishing oils afterward if desired. If you experience stinging or redness, reduce frequency and consult a dermatologist for personalized guidance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.